enough for you? All right. Yeah. Y'all niggas look mad. Right. Y'all supposed to be happy on the street. Y'all niggas look like y'all wanted me to stay there. Busters. Picture me rolling in my 500 Benz. I got no love for these niggas. There's no need to be friends. They got me under surveillance. That's why somebody can tell. No, this don't be a soul. But I ain't wanna tell it. Don't wanna be another number. I got a proper gang of beat to keep them going under. Federalists wanna see me dead. Niggas put prices on my head. Now I got two rock wallers by my bed. I see them lead. Now I'm released. How will I live? Well, God forgive me for all the dirt a nigga did. These kids don't like to live. It's so hard to be positive when niggas shooting at your crib. Mama, I'm still thugging. The world is a war zone. My homies is inmates, and most of them dead grown. Full grown, follow your man. Just scheming on ways to put some greed inside the palms of my empty hands. Just picture me rolling, flossing the beans on rims that is stolen. My dreams are senseless, my hopes are gone. I'm like a fiend in polyseas, all the dope is gone. My nerves are wrecked, heart beating in my hands is swollen. Thinking of the G's I'll be holding. Picture me rolling. Can you see that? Move to the side, let me see, give it a clear picture. Can you see it? Picture me rolling. Yeah, nigga. Hey, but peep how my nigga Sock do it. Guess who's back?
I got keys coming from overseas. Cost a nigga 200 G's. I'm a street commando, Nino, for example. This lavish lifestyle is hard to handle, so I got the throne cause I'm more like a boss player. Branded to be the woman layer. So many player haters imitate a steady swinging. Make me wanna start back, baby. So I'm caught up in the game. Let's no change. Packing 40 Glocks to tame and rearrange. All that jealousy and envy coming from my enemies. While I'm sipping on green, they in front of that Lexus Chevys on the road. 96 big body sitting on chrome. As we head up out the zone, stone facing his own. You can admire, but don't look too long. I'm living a dream with triple beams and hard exposure. It's hard to imagine. Picture me rolling.
The nigga straight suffering from like I haven't paid. My bitch finna have a back to see, so I need to hit a lick. Brass nigga, I see some bowling ass niggas and they slipping in the spot. And I'm big in the pot, so the chicken in the pot.
We caught him sleeping, deep people niggas creeping. Inside with you with every weekend, I dump the man. Tell me brother, brother, CEO, you got the fun spot. Nigga, time to clock. I get the liquor, and you can get the female. Screw the shit that we ain't quick to get street sale.
Most folk does a motherfucker, me and my nine. Cool as a motherfucker, I'll make it mine. Now we're satisfied. Got the pockets on spoon, bones hog, and that's stock. And that's stock. Picture of rebel.
Y'all ready for me? Picture me rolling roll call. You know some motherfuckers out there I just couldn't outfit, but I wanna make sure they can see me. Number one on my list, Clinton Correctional Facilities. All you bitch ass CEOs. Can you niggas see me from there? Balling on y'all fuck ass. Picture me rolling, baby. Yeah. All the niggas up in them cell blocks. I told y'all niggas when I come home or something. That's right, nigga. Picture me rolling. Oh, I forgot. The DA. Yeah, that bitch had a lot to talk about. Cool. Can the hoe see me from here? Can you see me now? Picture me rolling. And all you punk police. Can you see me? Am I clear to you? Picture me rolling, nigga. Legit. Free like OJ all day. Can't stop. You know I got my niggas up in this motherfucker. You know, pain, side.